account.
They could be your coworker, your neighbor, your friend, but behind the facade.
Fit the belt and then strangle them.
They're no tow hauls. Get their DVDs today at bio.com/shop.
March 8th, 1975. Sheriff's Deputy Bill Simmons patrols Sangamon County's west side. A little after 9 p.m., the deputy comes up on a car, abandoned on a lonely stretch of road. Simmons calls in to dispatch to request a tow truck for an unidentified vehicle. 10 minutes later, the wrecker has still not arrived. The vehicle to be towed is gone, and Deputy Bill Simmons is dead.
We heard on police radio someone using the term Mayday, Mayday. They used it several times, and finally they said, Mayday, officer down, needs assistance.
The mayday comes from a passing motorist who finds Bill Simmons in the front seat of his squad car, shot twice in the head. As police arrive on the scene, the tow truck Simmons had ordered shows up. The obvious question, what happened to the car it was supposed to tow?
It becomes the focus of our investigation.